The State Cabinet on Tuesday approved the setting up of a search committee for the appointment of a 5-member expert committee to review the 1972 state reservation policy. Addressing the media, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the government has decided that the Chief Secretary will head the 3-member search committee to look for experts who would be members of the expert committee to review the reservation policy of the state. Other members of the search committee include one from the Law Department and another from the Personnel Department. As per recommendations, the experts committee should be a 5-member committee, he added. The Cabinet has also approved the necessary changes to the office memorandum for the reservation roster after discussions with stakeholders. Through this amendment, the process of recruitment will also start, he added.
That a Chief Secretary and 1 member from the Law Department and 1 member from the Personnel Department, a 3-member committee has been put up as a search committee to look for experts who will be able to then be part of this expert committee. It was recommended that this committee should be a 5-member committee and should have experts from different fields, as was mentioned in the notification. Also, very important decision today was taken was that the office memo for the reservation roster amendments were put up today to be made in the reservation roster.
The Meghalaya Cabinet on Tuesday approved the